How to fix microphone not working while calling or while recording problem in Vivo Y15s. Hello friends, hope so all of you doing well, and in this video, as I already told you, we will fix mic problem in Vivo Y15s. So before starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix mic not working while calling or recording in Vivo Y15s, first of all just tap on settings and do the same as I'm showing you in this video, and just watch complete video carefully to fix this problem.